Hello everyone, here is my cute revolving spice rack. What a great addition to the kitchen. Revolves both ways and in 360 degrees. Comes with 12 glass jars, each jar capped with 3 different holes. Makes it easy to use as needed. Very handy for daily use. Absolutely trendy and space saver. Sometimes it doesn't spin or get stuck. Here is my quick fix. First, take out all jars. Dismantle all parts. Workaround is not available anywhere online too, not even in product manual. I figured it out in trial and errors. It will be useful if you have the issue with revolving rack. So here is the trick. To insert this handle back easily, unscrew and leave some space at the top. Now it's easy to fix bolt at the base. Next, insert the handle to the top rack, shorter one. Insert the bottom one too. This is how we are going to fix the base. Keep this side facing down. Place turntable or spinner on top. Then keep the bottom plate. Next, arrange the washers. First big one and then small one. Screw the bolt. It's going to wiggle a little due to long tip at the bottom, as we left some space on top earlier. Now adjust the bolt and tighten handle tip at the top. It won't rotate if it's too tight. So loosen a bit and test again if it's revolving easily. If not, make sure to adjust base bolt and top screw until it rotates freely. With jar's weight, it's going to rotate evenly. It's ready for use now. Hope you find this fix useful. See you again with many more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.